I would like to ask your impression about this day.
Uh, all right. It was amazing. Actually, it was organized well. I could see more than 400 people assembled here, all committed people from different parts of not only from Hungary but different parts of Europe, just to see what's happening in DXN and to see our CEO. And I hope everybody were happy, and it's a well organized program. I'm so impressed about it.
What do you think about the Hungarian DXN market? What do you think about the future?
See, DXN is actually not a very old company in this part of the world. I mean, in Europe, it's only 3 years, and Hungary is the first country where DXN has come in, and now we are into more than 6 countries in Europe, and this year another 6 more countries would be open. And as the pioneer leaders of DXN in Europe, Hungarian members have got very good advantageous position they are in. When the rest of the European countries are expanded, all of these people will be benefited out of that. And DXN, sure, in the coming years is going to expand very well, because DXN is the market leader of Ganoderma in the world today.
What's your personal experience about Hungary? About the Hungarian people, the Hungarian foods, the Hungarian possibilities?
Hungary actually, for DXN, I mean, after taking charge of European operation, this is the first country I came in, and it's really nice. All the people are lovable, they're enthusiastic and working hard, and I'm very hopeful of DXN Hungary and DXN Europe. Yeah.
Thank you so much for this conversation.
You're most welcome. Thank you.
Welcome.